Hey, what is up guys, Kelechioka here, and this is my quick review and impression of the Tecno Camon 15 and the 15 Pro, two budget smartphones announced by the company. It's officially released in India and we are anticipating its circulation as soon as possible. So before it comes around, this is what the Tecno Camon 15 and the Pro looks like and what to expect from these two budget smartphones. The Tecno Camon 15 and the Pro is the direct successor of the Camon 12 and the 12 Pro that was launched back in 2019. The official release date was 20th February 2020, just a few days before this video, and it has some very significant added features that I personally commend the company for, from a better camera to a new and improved chipset. You'll also get a new Android version with a new iOS scheme. The Camon 15 launch price starts at $140, approximately 51,000 in Nigerian currency, and the 15 Pro builds up to 75,000 or $208. Both devices are the first from the company with a 48 megapixel quad camera shooter in their respective price range, and it's more like a trendy camera feature available now, 48 megapixel to 100 megapixel camera option. Another outstanding feature here is the 32 megapixel pop-up selfie that is available on the Camon 15 Pro, while the 15 has a 16 megapixel punch hole selfie. And this is like a norm for Tecno to always bring in two devices in every series, and will always give more to the Pro version of that series, but this time the reverse is the case. The Camon 15 Pro is the more modest one. It comes with a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus display with a resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels and 91.2% screen-to-body ratio, while the 15 features a 6.55-inch HD Plus display with a punch-hole design. It's an IPS LCD panel with 480 nits of brightness available on both. Maybe someday we'll get to see an AMOLED display from Tecno. When it comes to the design, they are not identical in any way. Both of them are made of plastic with aluminum finish. The Pro has an aluminum frame. The rear camera is vertically placed, comprising of 4 lenses. The pop-up camera is in the same module with the rear camera, but in the Camon 15, it's a plastic frame and has a glossy finish with the camera placed vertically alongside the quad-led flash. The display on the Camon 15 is a 720 by 1600 pixel resolution. It's a 1080p display as well as having 87.0% screen-to-body ratio. For the performance, they run on Android 10, which is a very good move by the company. Currently, very few smartphone companies are providing Android 10 operating system out of the box. It's a MediaTek Helio P35 chipset with an octa-core processor of 2.2 GHz for the Camon 15 and 2.35 GHz for the Camon 15 Pro. For graphics, they both have PowerVR GE8320, powerful enough for gaming. 4GB of RAM and 64GB internal storage is what the Camon 15 comes with. And the 15 Pro has a bigger 128GB internal storage and coupled with a 6GB of RAM. Another major difference is the battery capacity available. The Camon 15 Pro has a 4000 mAh battery build-up, and the Camon 15 on the other hand is bigger. It has a 5000 mAh battery capacity. In the camera side, Tecno has introduced a camera feature called the Ultra Night Lens. This night shot lens arrives with an f1.79 large aperture, and Tecno says it can provide a good photograph at night, but I feel it's massive and quite a good upgrade. 48 megapixel main camera lens on both devices accompanied by a 5 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, 2 megapixel macro lens and the last 2 megapixel depth sensor lens. Believe me guys, there is more to the Camon 15 and the 15 Pro having such features and upgrade. It's going to be a real competitor to the likes of the Xiaomi Mi A3, Redmi Note 8 and even Samsung M30s having the same specifications. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will massively appreciate that you subscribe to my channel. Please like and share this video to create more awareness. My name is Kelechi and I'll see you in the unboxing and full review video.